How to actually make money with AI. Learning ChatGPT and AI is fun and everything, but at the end of the day, I know that many of you just want to figure out how to monetize AI in order to achieve financial flexibility. This is going to be a bit of a longer video with me rambling, so make sure you bookmark this video if you're going to watch it later, or buckle in. First, I tried to order the list from what I believe is easiest to hardest. This is important because based on how much you already know about AI, based on your level of technical ability, if it's quite low, you'll want to stay in the top half of this list. I put number 1, and I believe this is the easiest for anyone to get started. It's AI education. Literally what I do, go on social media and teach other people how to use AI. Even if we're both teaching the exact same knowledge, you might have a slightly different perspective on how to use it or its implications based on your background. Maybe you're a parent and you can talk about how you're teaching your kids AI. Maybe you're a teacher and you can add that different perspective. You don't need to know everything in order to start teaching people. Now, AI education is many different flavors. I generally recommend people start with social media because it's free organic distribution. And if you are able to build a personal brand in AI education, everything else in this list becomes 10 times easier. Related to AI education, you could host workshops for companies, you could do sponsorship deals with brands, you could do speaking engagements. So there are a lot of different options when it comes to AI education. Number 2 is AI info products. That could be courses, templates, etc. Obviously, I don't charge for my educational content. That's my personal mission and choice, but there are many people successfully monetizing AI through information products. Number 3, become an AI product affiliate. What I mean by this is there are a lot of really new groundbreaking AI tools. If you find 1 or 2 tools that you absolutely love using, you believe in, you can make content around how to use it and put your affiliate link there so that people can purchase the product from you after learning how to use it from you. Another option is to build an AI community. For example, there are a lot of communities on School earning more than $50,000 per month, and this is related to AI education, but obviously in a community, people expect a bit more structure. Now, the bottom half of this list, honestly, is if you have a bit of experience in AI or you already have a technical background so you can pick up some of these things very quickly. AI consulting can range anywhere from building custom AI automations for business, or it could be just taking a look at where AI should fit strategically in a business. If you want to focus just on automations, there are many people trying to build AI automation agencies, basically building custom automations for businesses. Another option is to white label an existing product, tailor it to a specific niche, and then get really good at integrating AI features into that white labeled product. So a real example of this is taking the Go high level CRM, tailoring it to a specific niche, let's say real estate or life insurance, and then getting really good at building out the AI powered workflow automations, voice AI, chat AI, etc. The last category is the one I'm doing, building AI apps. In my opinion, this is the hardest to get started with. You really need to be willing to learn technical things in order to succeed in this path, or have a technical partner or capital up front to help you build product. The key thing I want to point out here is if you remove AI from every single item in this list, you'll notice that all of these are proven paths to monetization. And again, if you don't have background making money online or you're not technical, you'll want to stay on the top end of this list. Again, really important to emphasize that when you build a brand in AI education by teaching others on social media, it truly makes everything else on this list 10 times easier to achieve.